Everything Weather by Ch.3. Chapter 3 Weather Predictions. Tools of the Trade. So today, based on this section subtitle, we're going to be learning about different tools that people use to predict the weather. That's what it means, tools of the trade. National weather services around the world have been keeping records since the late 1800s. So, over 200 years, people have been keeping track of the records. Modern weather forecasts aren't perfect, but they have plenty of reliable scientific information and technology to back them up. Check out the technology that meteorologists,
Meteorology.
a science that deals with the atmosphere, weather, and weather forecasting, use to figure out if you need to bring your umbrella or smooth on the sunscreen. Warm fronts show where the leading edge of a moving mass of warm air is. Cold fronts show where the leading edge of a moving mass of cold air is. Atmospheric pressure. Local areas of low pressure are indicated by the capital letter L. Occluded fronts show where two air masses come together and one takes over the other. The occluded front shows where weather will change. Eyes in the sky. Weather satellites orbit the Earth and monitor weather events around the globe. That's what this picture is showing, a satellite out in outer space. They use thermal sensors to measure ocean water temperatures and track where weather events might be headed. They also see the tops of clouds and determine their type, height, and temperature. Satellites capture images of hurricanes that show the location of their eyes and observe their movements. The images are displayed on maps, with colors representing different temperature and moisture levels. Meteorologists read and interpret these images before issuing advisories, watches, or warnings when severe storms develop. On your radar. Radar is an important weather prediction tool. Special dish-shaped antennas located high up on towers all around the world send out radio waves that bounce off moving objects in their path, such as wind or rain. When the waves encounter raindrops or winds, changes in their patterns tell meteorologists where the weather event is likely to go. These changes show up as different colors on this radar map. Objects moving toward an antenna have a higher wave frequency. Objects moving away from an antenna have a lower wave frequency. Move pages on me. So you can see here the map, right? And the map key is showing the different numbers. So the red, it's like a 50 or a 55, whereas the blue parts are showing about 20. Use the map key to help you. Weather alert. Doppler radar is so sensitive that it can detect movements of insects or dust in the air.